How to make iPhone app icons bigger on your phone. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So let's get started. Now in order to do that, first thing is that you have to navigate to your setting of your iPhone. Once you are here under your setting, you have to go for the display and brightness. Once you are on your display and brightness, under your display and brightness you have to go down here all the way down. So here you will see the display zoom option, just go for that. And once you are here, you have to just go for the larger text. So you will see the default here option, so which is smaller. As you can see here, the larger text icon. In order to get bigger one, we have to click next to the larger text. After we have clicked to the larger text here, you have to apply it here and tap on the down option and just go for the use zoom. So once you have done that, your phone will get restart in order to change that icon size to be bigger. So here you can find my icon size on the bigger format. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.